couldn't sleep. I took a Somanex, but voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me,
Oh my God.
your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe this.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. But do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
Favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do. I'll drink it straight.
Your branches are dry,
Don't
poor
need no
thing.
glass and no ice.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of a line.
Here you go.
And now it's supper time! Relax, sweetheart, we forgive you. Come on, join your dentist friend and Mushnik. They're right inside.
Get off her! Get off her! Get off her! Oh, Audrey, are you okay?
Yes. No.
Oh, Audrey, don't die. Please, please don't die. I need you.
You know, the plant just said the strangest thing just now. He said that Oren and Mr. Mushnik were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong.
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live to bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Audrey, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. Because if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me. You'll see me bud and bloom.